Hello everyone, this is Anita C. It's my last night at the Bali, Indonesia, and I'm choosing this hotel in Nusa because it's closer to the airport. It's the Amarterra Hotel or Villa in Nusa, which is also an autograph collection under Marriott Autograph. So they have upgraded me from a 1-bedroom pool villa to about 2-bedroom. But I will not be using that room. You know, I just checked it out. It's identical, except one side is 1 king bed and the other side is 2 double bed. So I'm going to do a very quick room tour and then to add on with the morning view tomorrow morning because it's kind of dark. Okay, good morning, Bali. This is my last morning of this trip, and yesterday because I have to run out to have some meetings and came back late and dark and I cannot do a very detailed room tour. So this morning when I wake up, it's blue sky, sunshine, and my pool. So where am I? I'm still in Bali. I'm at the Amarterra Village in Nusa, which is the autograph collection, which I got the Platinum Elite membership under the Marriott Autograph. So I actually just booked a 1-bedroom pool villa, and they upgrade me to 2-bedroom. Although there's not much use for me, but that's really appreciated because I think everything is bigger. You know, the room is more spacious and everything. So let me do a quick walkthrough. So I'm focusing on the pool right now. So you see the size of the pool. Okay, they have the outdoor living room and dining area with the ceiling fan, although for the weather in Bali it's still quite hot. So unless it's in the evening, if not, it's a little bit hot to be sitting here enjoying you know, the entertainment for a long period of time. But anyway, so this is the decor of the outdoor living room with the television as well as the dining room. So let's check out what they have in the cabinet. Okay, so they have all the mugs and everything, the ice bucket, as well as the spoon. Oh, okay, here we got a fridge with some ice water and some soda, some pop. Okay, so a nice table of 4 to sit here with a nice pool villa view to enjoy. And then 2 day beds here with the towel. Again, showing you know how big the swimming pool is and putting things into perspective. So actually I chose this room on my right because it got a king bed, and the room over there has 2 beds. So they are pretty much identical. I would do one for my room first, although I haven't cleaned up everything, but I cleaned up a little bit. Okay, so walking in, this is the walk-in closet. They have the iron as well as the hair dryer, you know, and then the safe deposit box, umbrella, sneakers and such, and the bathrobe. Okay, so moving right along, you know, I showed you last night as well, they have the jacuzzi, bathtub, 2 sink, rain shower, which is outdoor. Okay, so actually you have to open up and it's outdoor shower and outdoor washroom. Okay, which I find this one is a little bit different from the other side. So I'm not going to show you my messy bedroom too much, but this is their welcome amenity. So a handwritten note from the GM, very nice, very thoughtful. Some snacks, and I finished up 1 bottle of sparkling water last night. Some fruit, I also ate a banana, and then I didn't touch this one, but that is very appreciative of the welcome amenities. And the TV over here, you know, the sofa inside as well, so can enjoy the air conditioning. Okay, so I will go quickly over to the other bedroom because I ran quickly into the other bedroom yesterday and I find it pretty similar. But the only difference is I think their bathroom, like the bathtub, the rain shower bathtub is actually indoor, if I'm not mistaken, and they have 2 beds. And this one, because nobody stay, so it should be pretty clean. Yeah, so that's the setup. Okay, and then this view has actually kind of the direct pool view when you wake up, and then pretty similar to the decor, even the painting's the same, and the same walk-in closet, the same setup and everything. And this one doesn't have the jacuzzi bathtub, so only on that side is jacuzzi. This one is a normal bathtub with the same size. And then this is what I find difference. You know, they have an open air, open window there, but basically is an indoor rain shower and washroom. On my side is an outdoor one. Okay, so I'm going out for breakfast now. I hope I give you a full review in addition to what I did last night, and just follow me and I will show you the breakfast as well. Good antiseptic. Thank you.